welcome back to another video. Let's see if you guys see well. Alright guys, today we're going to be playing Fortnite. Don't worry because we're playing Fortnite because I got my little Fortnite llama. See, I got it from Christmas, you see, Fortnite llama. But guys, before we get it, please subscribe, turn on those notifications, give us a huge thumbs up, and let's get straight into it. And guys, today my brother's joining. Say hi.
Hi.
All right, actually I changed it to some duos.
I'm Sky. TV Shredder in the battle pass.
Yeah, this is. No, Ashton, I don't have to. All right, guys, see.
And Killed in a battle.
Change it to duo. No. Ashton, change it to duo. Fine, guys, my brother wants me to choose Mario. He's pretty stupid a lot. Ready? All right, change it to. Yeah, guys, look, I'm in the U.S. Air Force. See, like I'm at the U.S. Yep. Today, guys, we're gonna be throwing henchmen overboard for my challenge because last time I threw. Look at me, I'm like, bruh. Yep. So when I'm done.
That's a season 5 person.
Yep. Because I started since that. Actually,
No,
I got
you
that.
didn't.
Actually, I got that since I got that season 1.
No, you guys invited it. So he has 2 aisles. He has a season 1 aisle.
Yeah, I have season 1 aisle. Well, no, I don't have aisles. I have legendary.
You have aisles.
Yeah, guys, I also have like a trooper because I waste like $50 on some skins because I like drink stuff.
Yeah, we love drinking beer.
Shut up, Ash. It's not beer. It's like energy drink. Guys, we're going to yacht because.
Else mine.
Who? Where?
Someone's else mine.
Guys, today we're gonna be going to yacht, and when we go to the
No,
yacht,
we're not.
yeah we are. I gotta do my challenge by throwing over henchmen. Guys, you should see me. I'm just gonna rate it about like 10, but don't worry, I already got some from last match. Guys, I might throw Deadpool overboard. That'll just be so funny. Like he's just overboard. How do? Guys, if you watch Tico. If you guys watch Tico, subscribe to him. Comment down below if you guys watch Tico.
You watch what person to watch?
If you guys watch Unspeakable, wait.
You
There's
watch
kids.
someone?
Actually, there's a kid.
You watch someone? No.
See you guys. Help. Gosh, guys, I'm sorry. I'm on him.
I got Deadpool.
Got him. Oh my god! Yo, Ash, can you help? I need some help. Ashton, help! I'm down. Guys, got hit by a henchman. What kind of a noob am I? Ashton, get down here. It's a melee. Ashton, get down here, quick! We are you. Oh, you can see me, but quickly.
I died. Oh, I glitched me. Died.
Guys, I am sorry. My brother's a bot sometimes.
No.
I am so sorry for that video. I'm so sorry. I should never do that. I'm gonna edit. I'm gonna edit that. In a second, we're doing a YouTube video. Is that a fine? Yeah. Instead, I've been a good boy. You guys can sit, relax. Sorry guys, my mom called me. Guys, and plus, from Easter, if you guys watch Mandalorian, there's the Mando, the Baseline Raiders, and I forgot who this girl is. And guys, plus,
That's my Lego set.
that's my brother's Lego set.
That took
The Rise of Skywalker.
5 hours to finish.
Yeah, that took like an hour to finish. See? Alright guys, we're going to the yacht.
Yeah, again.
You sure? Or should we go to the shark? Yacht. Yacht.
No.
I'm going to the yacht.
Why?
The yacht's better, boys.
No, let's go to an ancient.
Hey guys, how about we go Pleasy? Guys, right now we're going to go Pleasant because
See,
then we're gonna go
swapping in the
Raiders.
middle.
then we're going to go do the base on Raiders. Because I'm a Raider. I have to eliminate people at this.
I need
Guys,
to get some
if
bugs, though.
if anyone's
coconuts.
watching this video, we'll post it. You guys look, I have Raptor skin now. I'm an X-Wing. Can't sound like it today. You guys, grab a actually, guys, if you guys, my name is T Money. Yeah, you guys can see my name. If you guys want friend request me and use code in the item shop code
Wavell and T-My.
no Tristan's my support creator. No, T Money 0. Yeah, my name in Fortnite, that's got him. I have to do this. No, Ash, I have to kill henchmen here. Ashton, let me kill henchmen. No, Ashton! You stupid. Ashton, I told you I have to kill henchmen. Why don't you ever listen?
I need to open your chest.
Yeah, I'll do that. Just let me kill him. This is a big challenge. I'm going to disguise as a henchman. Are you trying to blow me up?
No. Just like my bones.
Guys, I got my sniper. Guys, this might be a little long video. Break down that. Some more. Ashton, here's some shield. Here's some shield. Ashton, take this shield you bought. Take the shield. Yo, Ashton, go disguise as a henchman.
Huh?
Now we can't, Ash, because you did that. Ashton, take those minis, like drink those minis. Ow! You bot! Sorry guys, I sometimes get mad. Yeah, you're dead. That guy's ninja. Ah! He passed. I can't believe it. My brother's actually pretty good. Not a lie. Ashton, take those minis.
Please don't make mommy happy.
Ashton, take those minis. Oh, do you have band-aids I can use?
I'm taking
Take some. Ashton, take those minis. Drink them. Ashton, I need some band-aids. Ashton, I need band-aids. Huh?
That one band-aid.
Oh, great. Ashton, take those minis. You need to drink them. Alright, we are pretty good. I'll take that. What? I want to have a gold sniper. Oh, man. One sec, guys. This might take a little bit because I need to get some mats if I want to get a gold snipes.
Okay. I'm confused.
Come on.
I need to update.
Oh.
Why did you do that?
I should. We both 200. One sec, Ash. I'll be back. I'm using the chopper so I can get up.
I need both hundreds.
I need metal. Guys, I just need metal. That's it.
See how I'm gonna get up. I can't waste my bullets because I need.
Ashton, one sec. There's some kid. Hey, kid.
Now I need bricks.
I'll come pick you up.
See, I'm up. I'm up. Where's something brick? I'm in a house. See, I need some bricks. Where do you go? I need 100 bricks. I got 1 piece of brick.
Ashton, you know we're doing a YouTube video. Alright, guys, before I get back. What? I got 2 kills. I see him. As I see this kid. Four kills.
Tim, I gotta go down here.
Ow!
I can't go down here.
There's some med kits I'll take. But should I take this med kit? Ash, how much HP you at? Ashton, chopper! Get to the chops! Get to the chopper! Build up! I should have bandages.
I upgrade the gun.
Alright guys, we're moving in.
I upgrade this gun on the body. It's kind of like he goes up to the... Chat, we both ancients. I'm ancient.
What's that guys? Let's take some band-aids. Ashton, I'll give you some band-aids. Ashton,
Do you want me to keep
try with me. Run the lookout.
That guy was a sweat. Unless you look on
Guys, I hate this. Screw this. Guys, it's fine if you guys can give me a thumbs down. Ashton, ready up. Next, we are going to the, I'm right now drinking iced tea lemonade. Guys, next time, we're going to the yacht. I'm totally going to the yacht.
Dude, I just want to get to your force.
I don't care.
It says
Guys.
I'm a king.
Guys, bro, I'm going to be throwing henchmen overboard. You're just going to laugh. We've been doing this for about, 18 minutes. Who cares, guys? 18 minutes isn't that bad. Guys, also, my dad bought these for my Xbox controllers. They're batteries, and this is the chargers.
See, we might want to see us play Rocket League. Guys, next video, we're going to be playing Rocket League.
Maybe.
Next video.
Maybe.
Tia, you got to play everything.
Alright, boys. So,
Before
guys.
everything.
Should we go to the grill?
Why everybody's dancing?
Guys, we're going to the yacht. No questions asked. We're going to the yacht. He's the yacht's
I
queen.
took off my hat, T. I took off my hat.
Let's go, boys. Yeah, guys, my brother wants me to be sweat. How are you?
I'm not going to.
Why?
I'm going to the agency.
Ashton, we'll go to the agency next.
Mm-hmm.
Ashton, I have to throw a henchman overboard.
Now I'm going to get away from. I'm not going to get you going. I'm not going to make it.
Why'd you go down there?
Because I was trying to go to made it in 5 seconds. Hurry!
No, it's not. You dumb. Oh,
I'm
great.
not going to make it. See, I'm going all the way. I didn't make it. I'm going all the way.
Not far. All right.
See, Sky's an agent.
Seven. I need 2 more. I need 3 more. Ash, don't kill henchmen. Let me throw them over. Bye-bye. Dude, you bye.
What?
You didn't come for me. What? Yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video. Did you die?
Yeah.
Guys, I have to go eat breakfast, but guys, please subscribe, turn on those notifications, give this a huge thumbs up, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.
Guys, leave a
Well,
like on.
Ashton, this is part 1, part 2 is revenge.